push on a
paddleboard.
paddleboard. Oh yeah, these people are going without. We'll probably just have to sit here and coast. So, alright guy, you're gonna start hitting your waves.
Yeah, I'm feeling it. doing donuts, you know?
Maybe they're just, what are they doing?
That's the old man, isn't it?
He had all white. I didn't see this boat, but he's, I don't know if he's using his troll.
It looks like he's using a troller, but how is he doing it from back there? He's got to be, because there's no motor.
No, but he's probably got.
Oh, it's a wireless?
Yeah, probably on a fob. He's probably got fancy stuff.
That's like a $2,000 trolling motor.
You know what? I don't know what the hell they're doing, because they would have rode up that way.
Unless he doesn't know what he's doing, and he's just going in circles, because his troller is just going like this.
Well, you know what? One of us has to ride up there and get out. If he does the circle again, I'll go hop off and go get the car, because I don't know what the hell he's doing. You can't have that much money on a boat
and not know what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That's just like my law me and my dad had. You can't spend that much money.
Oh, fuck. Oh, he just jumped off. He don't know what he's doing.
Dude, that thing smacked it.
Yeah, I heard it.
He's got a nice boat.
Yeah, that's like a $50,000, $60,000 boat.
Oh, that hurt my heart. I wouldn't care in my boat.
I wouldn't care with this.
Yeah, especially in this. You can run this thing on rocks.
I could run this thing over. I flipped the other one off.
This person's crazy. I don't even know where they went. I think they went back there. They're trying to get eaten. My gator, bro. What you was about to say? Oh, we can come in. They said they're having problems. We can come in.
Oh, alright.
I say just go slow.
You want to get the truck?
Yeah, I'll get the truck.
You guys need help? You alright? You.
You said the trolling mower's not working?
It doesn't have reverse.
Oh, it doesn't have, so it can only go forward?
Yeah, you just
When I get up here and you go forward, just toss me a line and I'll
We'll pull you around.
crashed it into the thing.
Yeah, no worries. We'll help y'all out.
We'll pull you up, no worries.
We were like this like 2 weeks ago. This was us.
Hold up. Alright, let me get up to this. Just tie it off and we'll help them. We'll leave it here and help them. You good? You want to pull me a little bit? No, I got it, forget it.
No.
If you guys can come forward and throw me the rope, we'll pull you around.
Just take your time.
Just take it easy, nice and slow.
Give it a couple thrusts and get your momentum going.
That's a really powerful troller. It'll take you far real quick.
There you go, just like that. As soon as you just get anywhere that's close enough, just go ahead and toss it.
One of us will grab it.
Just take your time.
Stand there, I'll get right here.
There you go, perfect.
You guys catch anything?
Nope.
Nope.
Just get in this little pool.
Yeah. You want to go get the truck?
Yeah.
Or you want to back out and get them in?
It don't matter. Well, you can back out. We'll let them get out.
All right, you want to hold them?
Yeah.
Hey, what'd you tie on here, bro?
A little knot.
Oh, okay, I got you. I'm gonna back out of y'all's way. How you doing? Have a good day.